Welcome to Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy.
Hello, fellow teachers. Welcome to Easy Peasy one more time. Thank you, all of you, for watching this space and making the resources which I am doing with you people. In today's video, we are going to make some math resources. Sometimes for young learner, it's difficult to grasp or understand the concept of carry forward while doing addition. So in today's video, we are going to make a hands-on experiential resource for carry forward addition. So let me show you how it works. So here is the resource. This is called carry forward boards, and what we do over here is these are the these are the counters. So I'm going to put the number, for example, this is the place of 10, so I have put red color for 10. So I want to do the addition of number 48 plus 37 is equal to 7, 8 and 7. So 8 in my mind, 7 in my finger. So I reach to 15. So this is how I show number 15. And because the 15 has come over here, I have to carry it because it says take me up. So I have to carry it up. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 85. Voila! See, isn't it easy? Now let's do one more time. So I'm going to take all my ones, putting it back, all my tens, and putting it into the red thing. Now let's make another. So I'm going to take the number 59 and 34. 9 in my mind, 4 in my fingers. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. So I have to take on a one place, it's 3, and on 13. Now this is again cannot be here, so I have to take it up. So I'm taking it up. It has gone here, and 1, 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 93. Isn't it fun? So let's see how to make these resources. Again, it's easy to make. It requires little bit of cutting. So let's start now, the material for this resource. So for this, we will need carbureted seeds. I have used this recycle box, and I'm going to use everything of this box. And we will need a scissor, a scale, markers. A very important thing is cutter, a glue, and a decorative tape. So let's start making it. So I have cut two board out of two corrugated board like this out of that box, and this strips. I'm going to use all of this. So what I'm going to do is this board I'm going to save it for later, and this one I'm going to turn around and draw six circle. You can do you can also draw, if you want, you can also draw squares, and then you can cut the square. So this is the main part, and that's it. So I'm going to start from the down circle over here. So I'm just using this sellotape because that's a exact size I want to have. And then I'm going to give a one little bit space, one space, and then I'm going to put another circle over here. Just going to give one space there, just to, because we are going to carry forward. So here another circle. I hope you are able to see this. and then I'm going to, so this is going to be my total sum space. So I'm just going to give a line here, and then I'm going to do one more circle over here. So let's remove this. So this is my space, and then a little bit space here, and a little bit space here, because I will make a cut here, so I just want to make it a double one, and then I just like, so this is where I'm going to cut. Okay, and here I'm going to add an extra board where I'm going to write tens and ones. So just I'm going to write tens, and this is the place of ones. This is very important that the child always see it this way, that this is a place of 1, this is a place of 10. So I'm going to stick this letter and cut it as a whole piece together. But just to understand this, I'm going to now do what we are requiring here. So then you will take a newspaper or a tray and put this object, this thing, in a tray, so that you don't make your table, don't ruin your table. You will need this thing. Just make it a little bit out and cut across this. This is actually, when you have a small thing out, it is very easy to do. So you just then with a, just remove, keep moving the thing and turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Okay, and then you have this circle out. There you go. Okay, it's okay if it is a little bit of carbureted it comes out kind of thing. That is fine, because this will come out very nicely, so you don't have to worry much about it. And we are going to use these circles too, because these are the circles where we will be writing numbers on it. So we will have this. So I have cut this one now. So this basic thing is ready with us. Now what we are going to do is, this will go on other cardboard. So the second cardboard which we have made, which we had, what we are going to do is, we will be sticking these on that. So this is how you will stick it properly. And then what you need to do is, so you have a little bit of depth here. So after this, just glue this on the another carbureted sheet the other way around. So this will look like, from the back it will be like this, and this is how it is. Then what you need to do is use the black marker and give a border to it. And you can also, so what I have done is, I have used this sellotape to cover this, so it is easier for children. And then you will have these type of board ready. So here you can see my board is ready, and it is actually very sturdy. So you have tens place, you have ones place over here, and this is where you will be carrying forward. And I have put H plus sign here. And also, if you want, and if you are doing a 3-digit number, you can also show the place over here. Now the other part of the code carbureted sheets, what I have done is, I have taken a measurement from this, and then made circles, and then cut circles with this, and write numbers on it. So I have created enough of black, two sets of black ones, and the reds are tens. So these are tens, and these are for the tens. This is just for the visual presentation, visual understanding of the children. For the visual understanding of the children, just so that they know that the ones are black and tens are red. So, and then we will start that. Okay, do 37. So 30 is tens and 7 is ones in 37. And then I have another number which is 40, and I will take big number, so 48. So again, 7 8 is a ones, so 7 and 8 are 15. So 15, in 15, 5 is ones place and tens place is 1. So here I'm taking 1 over here. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and it is number 8. So let's find number 8. Here it is. So 85 is my answer. So you can give as many practice as you want to the children who have a problem with the carry forward. Isn't it an interesting resource? Which is, and I'm sure that your children will learn, and it will be easier for them to solve the mathematical problem. Thank you very much.